You're shaking. You're actually shaking. Liking that, huh? You approve?
Yeah.
We got an email from our sweepstakes agency. The random draw results are in. Lance Willocks. So let's give him a call. It is gonna be on Instagram. He did not put his phone number. So if you guys are purchasing something and you're expecting a call, please put your phone number. So that way we have a way of contacting you. Did make it mandatory to put the phone number, but like the first week I did not because I was trying to figure out the website. I know. My first giveaway, Live and Learn. I submitted a request to follow him on Instagram, but he has not accepted it yet, meaning he hasn't probably checked his Instagram. Let's give him a call and see if he'll answer. It is currently 2:30. So I sent him a request around 11 and he hasn't responded. Most people work a 9 to 5, so he could be at work or he could be working night shifts, so he could be sleeping. Let's try it one more time. Let's just hope that he'll answer by the end of the day. And yeah, I just gotta call him. Make sure he actually is eligible to take this truck home. We're using a sweepstakes agency and this is done legally. In order for us to be able to give it away, we have to make sure he is 100% eligible, so that way all of our paperwork can work out. So yeah, he's got technically like 3-4 days to get back to me, and if he doesn't, we're gonna have to pick another winner. But hopefully he answers, gets back to me within the next 3 to 4 days.
A few moments later.
All right, let's give Lance another call because he finally started answering to my DMs. He didn't answer. Sending him another text, and maybe he'll answer this time. Instagram. Oh. Hey Lance.
Hey, what's up?
Is it Lance?
Yeah.
How's the air dog doing?
It's like said like CE, but just spelled with a Z.
Okay. Nice. You getting off work?
What's up?
Are you getting off work? About to be. So the air dog's been treating you good?
Try to call it a day.
Well, I'm really not calling you about the air dog.
Oh god.
You have any idea why I'm calling you?
I'm sure it's about the LLY.
Yes, sir. You're gonna be taking the LLY home.
Wow.
Yeah, you just won the LLY Duramax.
Wow. I don't know what to say.
Pretty crazy, huh?
Yeah. I've entered so many giveaways over the years.
Really?
Not just with you, but with like all kinds of people.
Yeah, I'm telling you,
I
it's
never
just.
thought I'd be the one.
Hey, that's what everybody says, right? I never thought I'd be the one. I just need you to contact the sweepstakes agency so that way you can fill out the paperwork to take this truck home.
Yeah.
And then we'll figure out a time when you can come to Augusta. I kind of looked up your address. Looks like it's about 3.5 hours away from here.
Yeah.
We'll find a time when you can come here and pick up the truck. Would that work?
Okay. What's that?
Would that work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do that.
So like on weekends would be fine, or Monday or Tuesday, it's
Yeah,
okay?
weekend.
It'll have to be a weekend?
Yeah, that way I can get somebody to come with me.
Okay. So like, not a Friday, but like Saturday or Sunday, and do all the paperwork, and then we'll figure out which Saturday you can come and pick up the truck.
Hell yeah.
You want to look at it real quick?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. There you go.
Hell yeah.
I just gotta clean the inside, but other than that, she's ready to go. Ready to pick it up. Was it weird getting a call from me and you're like, maybe I won the LLY?
Well, I was actually working, and then whenever I got like some free time, I kind of backed away and I looked at my phone. And I was like, "There's no."
I was trying to kind of play it off, like asking you questions about the air dog, but it's just kind of, I don't know. I don't think it worked.
So whenever you start getting a little message from like the person doing the giveaway,
Yeah.
I don't know. It just kind of like starts throwing red flags. It's like, no, that, yeah.
Yeah, I was worried that you weren't gonna get back to me though.
Oh, I was going to. It was just gonna take me a little while. We got a little behind.
Okay. Sounds good. Well, once again, congratulations, and I will send you all the information so that way, you know, you can fill out the paperwork to take the truck home.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. I'll see you later.
All right, take care.
All right, bye. So he's been a subscriber since I picked up my first LML. So he's been a subscriber for a while, and as you guys just heard him say, that, you know, he never thought he would win a giveaway. You know, he's entered multiple giveaways and he never thought he'd win one, and it just happens that he did win. You know, and, you know, that's what every winner says. I didn't think I was gonna win it, but I just entered anyway. I wasn't planning on doing a giveaway, and I never thought I'd be doing a giveaway. I had this LLY for a while and it just was sitting in my driveway for the longest time, and I just wasn't really driving it, and it was a perfect opportunity to give it away, let one of you guys take it home. You know, those of you guys that have been watching progression of the build, and now you can take it home and it'll be in front of your driveway. So pretty stoked. Alright guys, the time has come, and this will be the last time you see this LLY in my driveway. LLY winner should be here any minute. I got Alex over here helping me out, making sure the truck stays clean and looks good for the new winner. I don't even know what he's using over here, but he's using something to make it look good. Oh, he's cleaning my glass. I've never cleaned my glass in the 3 years I've owned this truck. I can tell. Yeah, he can tell. But yeah, he should be here any minute. I think he said he'll be here in like 4 minutes. So we'll see if he's here. T-minus 4 minutes until he pulls up. It's supposed to rain here in the next couple minutes, so hopefully it doesn't start. Oh, I see. Hopefully it doesn't start pouring though, because the goal is to have him stand here, open the shutter, and show him the truck. But if it rains, well, we might just have to have him come in through here and get his reaction like this. Which, that's still a pretty good view. Appreciate it. Hey, how are you?
Hey, good, how are you, man?
JW. Lance, right?
Lance, yeah.
Hey, how are you? JW.
Michael.
You excited?
Oh, man.
Hey, you're shaking. You're actually shaking.
Yeah.
I like that shirt too.
Yeah, just got it, picked it up.
Cool. Let me see it back. Nice. All right, you ready to see your truck?
I'm ready.
Well, after I see your truck, I want to see your truck. That's your truck, right?
Yeah, that's mine.
Cool. Well, now you got 2 trucks.
I do.
All right. What do you think?
Real. It's actually real.
Yeah, you get to take it home.
Bubba set up and all, buddy.
Yes, sir. That's exactly what you wanted too, right?
Yeah.
The Bubba setup.
No, those 2001 wheels sound great.
Yes, sir. The only thing is, obviously, you know, you have to run adapters. Every oil change, every time you rotate the tire, just check and make sure the adapters are still tight.
Okay.
But yeah, Alex, that's Lance. Lance, that's Alex. The winner of our first giveaway, and that's Michael. What you think?
I don't know, I'm still speechless.
Do you tow a lot?
Every now and again.
Every now and then? Okay, because it came with these super springs or Suma springs or whatever they're called. Threw it back here because it's for this truck, and I'll have no use for them. You want to go ahead and start it up? It's your truck. Let me get the keys. You can hear the turbo. There you go. Rev it a little bit. That's cool, huh?
After school bus.
Right?
That's gonna give you a truck. I still can't believe it.
I still can't believe I'm giving it away.
Yeah,
Because it's my first one.
And this is all because of
That air dog.
I bought
That's what
that
you
air
bought.
dog.
Right. And
Yeah.
it's on that truck right there.
It's on that truck right now, yes.
That is crazy. Nice.
I knew I was gonna have to get one.
Yeah.
And then I knew that you were about to give this away. It was
Yeah.
like another few days and you were gonna have 30 times entries. So I just waited those extra days and
Exactly.
that's what paid off.
Every dollar equals 1 entry, but then we did 30 times. So it's like what? You got like what? 16,000 or something like
So
that?
it's like, yeah, it was almost 20, I know that.
Yeah.
It was a lot.
And that really helps.
interiors in such good shape.
Let's pop the hood. Yeah, let's show what's under the hood. There you go. You have the piping kit under your truck for the LML? No?
All it is just the
HSP's full deluxe kit, like the most you can get from HSP. 64mm Ryan's turbo, 2 brand new interstate batteries. I put the receipt in there.
Okay.
I think it comes with like a 6-year warranty. If something happens, just take the receipt and they'll get you another one. We got that covered. And then as you've seen, we got fresh new head gaskets with ARP studs.
He was actually watching that video on the way back down.
Nice.
Yeah.
Bumper been painted. The whole front end's been rebuilt. Kryptonite idler and pitman arm. Redhead gearbox. Brand new upper and lower ball joints. Ceramic window tint. 98% like heat rejection or something like that. Rock lights too. Do you have rock lights? Now you do. I mean, it comes in handy at night whenever you're just loading and unloading stuff.
My thing is with wise, if you're backing up to it like to a curve, you have to see the curve.
Yeah.
On my truck, I swapped out that for the Boostauto high intensity.
Yeah.
Try to back up at night and stuff.
Luckily, that's already high intensity, so.
Nice.
This is the best part, I think.
Oh, nice.
We got the title and the cash.
Yeah, look, he's got the charger.
Yeah, and the wireless charger on the thing. Yeah, I just gotta sign this title, hand it over to you. The thing is, so many people online were like, when are you gonna announce the winner? I'm like, I'm gonna wait until like all the paperwork is done, you know? Like, this is my first giveaway, so I'm not just gonna say this person won and then something happens, so.
Yeah, the cool thing is he can go and watch the entire build of this truck.
Exactly.
From when you bought it
Yep.
to the day. That's awesome.
So you know exactly what's been done to this truck, because I documented everything, and this guy touched it a lot. Not in a creepy way, but yeah, he's done a lot of work to this truck too. So I'm sure you're pretty sad to see it go.
Yeah, Kristen asked me if you wanted, what would you do? I said that cab be coming off again, bed be coming off again, and everything underneath be powdered.
All right, so we drop this back to Dalton, and then you can take your truck to Savannah.
So you're gonna drive his truck back, or
I'm driving the
other one?
15 home, and he's
Okay.
gonna take this one.
I'm taking it to Tybee Island for the week.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Heck yeah.
That's where I'm working at for probably the rest of the year, so
Nice.
We gotta go show it off.
I gotta go show it off to other buddies and parade around in it down there.
Yeah, Apple CarPlay. So I don't know if yours has Apple CarPlay. So if you plug, I got a charger too if you need it. You have an iPhone?
Yep.
Yeah, just hook it up and it has Apple CarPlay on there. All right, first test drive with your LLY Duramax. And then there's your other truck.
It's nothing special.
It's a newer truck than this?
Not no more. This is my new truck.
Exactly.
Which way on you?
Let's go right. And then we got full turn thanks to Alex. You liking that, huh? You approve?
Yeah.
We are on tune 5 too, by the way.
Nice.
But just remember, this truck does have like 200-something thousand miles on a stock transmission.
Yeah.
I know you won't dog on it, but turn right here. Oh yeah, it's called the Magic School Bus for a reason. I should get a yellow truck next and actually call it the Magic School Bus.
That, get the little decals for a school bus.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't even listen to my radio anymore. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna get tired of that.
No.
You ever had a truck with a bigger turbo? No.
Just that one.
But he's managed to make all of his cars loud.
Right.
I bought him a 350Z, 16 exhaust pods, 10 man headers,
Tune is the whole
Tune,
shebang.
headers, everything. So loud to give you a headache.
Oh,
You
gosh.
went to Florida and borrowed your car. Wow. Your car just has all this work done to it. Yeah, but it's too loud. And then he gets this truck, he straight pops it.
It's not bad though.
It's not bad. Now this truck sounds really good and really loud.
Man, I'm just glad somebody else can enjoy this truck.
Right.
I mean, I've had it for 2 years, 3 years, and I've had it whistling like this for a while, and for one of my subscribers to be able to enjoy it, that means a lot to me. I'm glad you're a subscriber too.
Yeah. Just right here.
All right, it's your truck. You can park it wherever you want.
But it's already gotten legs.
Yeah. You can park it next to your other truck, and I'll show you guys his other truck. All right, so this is Lance's other truck. It's a 2015 LLY Duramax with Alpharexusa headlights, Cognito leveling kit. Got it turned up kind of high, huh?
Yeah.
But where's that air dog? Underneath here?
Underneath. Yeah.
Let's see if I can find it.
Somewhere.
Oh, there it is.
That's the reason why we're here.
That's the
what
reason.
done it. That's what done it.
That's crazy. And I was trying to push the air dog to everybody too. Awesome.
If you're going to, you gotta have one.
Exactly. Especially the LML.
With the CP4s.
Yes, sir. Y'all ready to head out?
Yeah.
All right, y'all have a safe trip back.
We will.
Oh, you're gonna enjoy that truck though,
Most definitely.
right?
I just can't wait to see his fiance try to get into it.
Oh yeah, is it? Is it?
She's like this short.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's a little tall.
All right, man. Enjoy. Send me some pictures and videos, okay? Oh yeah. Sounds good. Dang, I'm sad to see it go.
I can imagine giving it back.
Oh no, don't do that to me right now. Don't be whistling at me. Woo. They gone.
Dad getting on it?
Yeah, a little bit. Alright, I really don't know how I feel right now. And like, I don't know if I'm happy or sad. I think I'm a little bit of both. I'm a little sad and happy at the same time. Like, you should have seen his face when he was driving it.
I'm a little wet.
You're a little wet. He was smiling and he was really happy. So I'm glad that someone like him took the truck home. But I'm a little sad because I'm one truck down. My driveway's a little freed up now, so
I only got two.
I only got 2 trucks now. So, well, thank you all for entering this giveaway. I hope to do more in the future. So stay tuned and see what kind of vehicle we're gonna build and potentially give away next. We might give this gasser away. I don't know, maybe not.
If it lasts that long.
Right, it is a gasser and it's about to hit
100,000.
100,000, 800 more miles. Dang, time to trade her in.
I know.
And we got check engine light.
We got TPMS that goes in and out. That check engine light is some Canvas code that I can't figure out.
Nice.
So gross.
Alright, y'all. Well, I will see you guys next time. Wait, it ain't over yet.
We're coming to take it back.
We're gonna rob him. Nah, Alex needs to get gas, so. Oh, what the hell was that?
I thought it was thunder or something. I don't think it was mine.